Hi, y'all. I'm Linda Greenberg. Welcome to my podcast, Southern Gardens. I've been a professional landscape designer in the Carolinas for over 30 years. In this podcast series, I'll be sharing fabulous gardening tips, planting strategies, and interviewing garden experts from all around the world. Hi, y'all. I hope you're having a beautiful day. One of the most important things is, what do you do after the garden has been designed? Well, you need outdoor furniture to make it extraordinary. Umbrellas, outdoor furniture, fire pits, if you haven't added that as a built-in. There's so many things to consider, like whether you do wicker or aluminum, cast aluminum, wicker, teak. There's so many options and some beautiful resources throughout the world. I love, love, love this part of the garden creation for my design clients. One of the things, like if they're doing a swimming pool, for instance, having a chaise lounge, having those colors reflect some of the other pillows or things that they have in other parts of their garden is really important. I even play into the colors of cushions with whatever their favorite colors are in plant materials. I think that's really important as well. Sunbrella fabrics are really fantastic. A lot of outdoor options for fabrics that, are very weather resistant and just beautiful. That's another color option as well that brings that into the garden space, as well as pick up and accent what you just came in from the interior window views to the exterior. So, like for instance, if you have a blue sofa, you want to pick up on some blue colorings in your fabrics outside. Also, like dining room tables, that's so big. Do you do round, rectangular, square? For how many people? A lot of times, just so it doesn't look so fixy, I'll add like a couple extra, just occasional chairs, and then just have people be able to pull up whenever they come up so it doesn't feel so rigid. Just make it more casual, free-flowing. Also, outdoor, like Adirondack chairs for around a fireplace is so important to get that comfortability, and it's almost like a welcoming chair to come out and have a cocktail. And like a lot of my male clients just love to have a cigar and drink something good out by the fireplace, and it's just so warm and welcoming. It's just a beautiful extension. It's always welcoming you and beckoning you in your garden spaces. I'd be remiss if I didn't mention something like water fountains. Water features are huge in gardens, and I rarely do a garden without recommending a water feature or a fire element, and that design is typically based on clients' personality, what do they like, and most of anything, it has to be to scale. Scale is really huge. A lot of people know that something's supposed to be in that space, and so many times I'll see them put something very small that should be 5 or 6 foot tall, and they'll have a 1 or 2 foot tall, and it just makes all the difference if you put the right water feature, fire element in your garden, whether it's fire bowls or a fire pit or whatever that may be. Also, planters, oversized planters. I'm a biggie on that. I use oversized planters as well as like pedestals with big, huge planters on top, and just fill them with something exuberantly wonderful in the middle. Something showy, like they call it the thriller, filler, spiller approach. So you get that big splash in the middle, and then you put the annual color, and then something that just drapes it to soften the edges. And of course, always outdoor lighting. You've got to have outdoor lighting to pick up on all of these beautiful little details that seem to feel insignificant when you're putting them in, and then as the day turns to night and you've got that outdoor lighting that lights it all up just the right way, it's about as good as it's going to get. Having a gorgeously designed garden, not only with plant materials and your hardscapes, you've got to think about what is the next step. What does that look like? Is it going to be those outdoor seating areas? That's so important. It's so important. You want to build this beautiful garden so you can enjoy it. It's a lifestyle. It's the art of outdoor living. You have to extend that to everyone you know and just beckon yourselves to your garden every day. Adult, child, get outside, have fun, enjoy your day. Thank you for growing with us on the Southern Gardens podcast. You can stream all of our episodes on Spotify. To inquire about our services, advertising, or getting involved with the podcast, please email us at southerngardenspodcast@gmail.com. You can also visit our Instagram at Southern Gardens Podcast. Stay in bloom. Until next time, happy gardening.